Okay, go.
Okay. So I'm at my house at 1:28 in the afternoon. Me and my main squeeze.
Right.
Aye.
Right.
I had to do my mama messed up. You know.
Do you care?
Mind your business. I'm talking to the camera, not you.
What?
I ain't stop.
Alright, come on then.
And Beauty Brush, Vicky's.
It's mine.
It's not hers. Alright, let me see the camera. Yes! Give me the freaking camera.
Show the camera something first.
Everyone
Never mind.
I ain't
No.
give me.
No.
Yes!
No.
Okay, whatever. Take a look outside. The forecast. Forecast of today is slippery and wet. Oh, wet.
Where's La Rosa at? Let's go hang out with La Rosa.
No, because La Rosa gets on my nerves. Wow, listen. Alright, we gotta do shout out. Shout out to who?
We don't beg with everybody, so.
Shout out to Malik.
Bye.
I don't like you. Don't think I like you because I
Don't talk about my boyfriend.
I don't like you.
Don't talk about my boyfriend.
Dominic Adams.
Bye,
boy. We don't get along either.
Because you always want to talk to everybody, little man hoe.
Who else? Brandy. Rashay. Anye sister.
Shit, that's my bitch. Said no.
Isaiah. Who else? Havoc. Quadi. I get so many earlier.
Oh God.
Who else? Rashad.
Yeah. That's my boo.
Don't ask me what I got on. It's just my blanket.
Nobody cares.
Well, you know.
Like, Rashad really do this. Like, get at him.
Mariah, come here! That's my brother. He about to do one thing. Roddy, come here! Hurry up! Come on. Promote. Say hi to him. Hi. Yeah, my brother do one thing, like.
My underarm stinks.
Wait, and those, I thought those was cars.
Oh. My